Hey there, welcome to the PE Health Hut. I'm Coach Stu. Super excited about today's lesson. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of balloon action, all right? Now you might be saying, I can't do PE online today because I don't have a balloon. Well listen, don't panic. All you really need then is a Ziploc bag, all right? Either one of these will do, all right? So go ask mom, go ask dad, ask big brother, big sister, where can I find either one of these two items, all right? Let me give you a second to do that and I'll see you back here in a few moments. Hey, you made it back. Did you find what you needed? You needed a balloon, or what else was it? It was a Ziploc bag. So I hope you have what you need. So let's get started. Now before we dive in, let's talk about what you're going to be learning, why you're going to be learning, and how you're going to be learning. So what you're going to be learning today is simply how to catch and how to strike. Okay? Now why you're learning that is because both of these skills are super necessary when you play other sports like baseball, bowling, basketball, football. Most of these sports require catching and striking, all right? Now, how are you going to be learning that? Is through just simply using a balloon, all right? Both, as we use a balloon, it's going to challenge us to work on our timing, to work on our perception of space, and to work on our hand-eye and our body-eye coordination, all right? So let's get started. Let's have some fun. Okay, how about we do a few exercises to warm our bodies up? I'm going to put on the screen 2 different exercises. You get to choose which one you want to do. Now all I ask is that you give your best effort and your best technique for the full 30 seconds, all right? After the first 2 exercises, another 2 exercises will appear on the screen for 30 seconds, and I want you to give, like I said, your best effort and your best technique for the full 30 seconds. All right? You ready? Okay, let's go.
Down for the long run now. Red Corvette and my drop top down. Calling up my digits in my Motorola, and I'm speeding like I robbed someone. Falling and I'm a whip, yeah. Out in fast, going hard in the pit, yeah. I still ball on the pitch, yeah. Something wrong with the picture. Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why you need to lie. Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why? How do you get by?
All right, you know what time it is. It's time for balloons. Sweet. All right, so first thing you want to do is blow up the balloon, all right? I'm going to take 3, maybe 4 deep breaths, and that should be enough to get it just the right size. You ready? Set, go. Okay, now here comes the hard part, tying it. So usually I take 2 fingers and I pull one in, I wrap it around the 2 fingers, and then I weave it between, and boom, put it underneath the band, and then pull your fingers out. And now you've got a nice little knot, kind of like tying your shoe. Now, if you have problems with that, don't worry. Maybe just ask mom or dad or an older sibling or an adult to help you get your balloon just how you like it, okay? For those of you using Ziploc bag, your job is actually a little bit easier. You're just gonna open up a nice little hole here in your Ziploc bag and then blow in it. And then quickly capture the air, okay? Now, if it's not as airtight as you want and not as, sealed as you want, open it up again, blow some more in it, and just try to seal it really quickly. A small hole works better. Boom. And there you have it, okay? And it's ready to go. So let me give you a second to get your balloon ready, and I'll meet you back here in a second.
Okay, I want to give you a chance to play with your balloon. So, when the music starts, go ahead and just play in general space. But when the music stops, I want you to freeze, place the balloon on the ground, or place it between your knees. Okay? You ready? Set, play. Great job. Make sure the balloons at your side are between your knees. Now earlier, I think I talked about some of our learning targets, and one of them was the ability to strike and to have proper hand-eye and body-eye coordination. So for the next portion, I want you to copy a few of the movements that I do, okay? So you're gonna see a video of me modeling the movement, and then the name of the movement on the other side of the screen, all right? So just go ahead and copy some of the movements that I do with my balloon. You ready? Let's go. Okay guys, that was super fun. And more importantly, I'm hoping that you made some gains as it relates to striking and hand and body-eye coordination. You know, when you're hitting the ball off your knee, if you don't hit it at the right time, it may not do what you want it to do. When you're hitting it off your foot, if you don't hit it in the right direction, it may not do what you want it to do, and you have to start all over again. So you see, learning how to manipulate an object is a very important skill, particularly as it relates to some of our favorite sports, like baseball and soccer, all right? So, I hope you really do realize the value in simply playing with a balloon. All right, guys, that's it for today, but please be on the lookout for my upcoming lessons, and don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? I'm Coach Stu, And I can't wait to see you guys next time. Remember, I'm super proud of you, and be healthy and be safe. See you next time.